Hello, this is Heather Wensler. Thanks for joining today. Following the webinar, I will provide my contact information. So if you ever have any questions or need support with any of Microsoft's products, please don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy.
All right, so let's take a look at how we can download Microsoft Edge onto a Mac. So I've opened up Google Chrome, which is the browser I'm currently using, and either in the search bar in the middle of the screen or up in the URL address bar at the top of the screen, it doesn't matter which, I'm just going to type in download Edge for Mac. Once I type that in, I'm just going to hit enter. And I'm looking for the first one, and it will be from Microsoft.com. That's the one I want to use. It'll be the fastest way. So I'm going to click Download New Microsoft Edge Browser. Again, this is the Microsoft link. And it's going to take me directly to the download page. The wonderful thing about this is it has already detected that this is a Mac and not a PC. So the only thing I need to do here is click to download. Then I need to accept and download. And I can go ahead now. It says close. I'm going to go ahead and close. In the bottom left is the package that I need to open. So I'm simply going to click once on the name of the package and the installer will open. I'm going to click continue. It's telling me now how much space it's actually going to take. If it asks where you want to install it, if there's a picture of your hard drive, just click on the picture of the hard drive. Once you've accepted the installation, you're going to click install. If it asks you for your computer password, you'll go ahead and input that and then click install software. And it might just take a minute, but it shouldn't take too long. All right, so it is successfully installed. I'm going to click close. It's now giving me the option to move this install wizard to the trash. This isn't moving Edge to the trash. It's just moving the program to install Edge to the trash. You don't need it once you've installed it. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to the trash. That will just help keep my computer clean. All right, so I've downloaded. Now I need to find it. All right. One of the things, it's actually already launching Edge automatically, and it's asking if I want to log in if I already have an account with Microsoft. I'm going to go ahead and hopefully this is the password, enter. There we go. And now Edge has launched. So I know I'm in Edge because in the upper left corner, it says Microsoft Edge. I can set it as the default browser if I wish to. And if I hover my mouse along the bottom, my tray will appear. And there is my Edge. It is in the bottom tray. So that's how to install Edge on your Mac to take advantage of all of the great extensions that Microsoft has for accessibility.
Thank you again for joining today. My contact info is on the screen, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you find yourself in need of any support at any time. I'm happy to help you out, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Have a great day. Thank you.